Justice for 12-year-old Gavin Peterson, who passed away in 2024 from child abuse at the hands of his brother, father, and stepmother.
According to the hospital, Gavin appeared to be suffering from malnutrition to the point that his organs shut down. Last year, his stepmother and father pleading guilty. They were sent to prison. Today, Gavin's older brother, Tyler Peterson, was sentenced to prison. Ariel Harrison was in the courtroom today for that sentencing hearing. And Ariel, Tyler's attorney and his mother both pleaded with the judge to not send him to prison.
Yes, that is correct. Despite everything, they urged the judge to consider that Tyler was also a victim of abuse in that home, as well as that he suffers with intellectual disabilities. They do not feel prison is the right spot for him. However, others, including the judge today, say that's exactly where he needs to be.
All rise.
Speaking to a full courtroom, 2nd District Court Judge Camille Neer called the Gavin Peterson case the most difficult of her 31 years.
But the bottom line is these facts are awful.
Before issuing her sentence, Judge Neer addressed Tyler Peterson directly, saying he had multiple opportunities to make different choices.
You had an opportunity to not engage in the behavior that you engaged in. You were an active participant since 2020. There's no doubt about all of that.
The judge's remarks followed arguments from Tyler's attorney that the 23-year-old was a victim of years of abuse and manipulation himself.
When Nicole said jump, he said how high? And why did he say that? Because he didn't want to be in that room like Gavin.
Read by a victim's advocate, Tyler's mom, through a letter in court, also urged the judge to show her son mercy.
I respectfully ask that you consider to let Tyler continue his treatment at home in a positive, loving environment. He won't get that in prison.
But prosecutors argued that Tyler's actions went beyond survival, citing text messages and videos.
Gavin was found with multiple bruises on his body from beatings. Thumb pictures recovered show Tyler kicking and beating Gavin, all on his own.
In the end, the judge acknowledged the complexity of the case, but said justice for Gavin had to come first.
The scales of justice outweigh the side of the scale that reflects mercy.
Now coming back out here live, Peterson was sentenced 5 years to life in prison with 2 additional sentences of 1 to 15 years. Those will be served all at the same time. He is eligible for parole or probation and parole. Reporting live from Ogden, Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.